What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have Epiphany by Taylor Swift from our new album Folklore, and I'm excited to tell you that I have completed the guitar tutorial of the full album. So make sure to check out the playlist, work really super hard on it. For 2 days I missed studies, I missed my favorite shows, I missed my main thing, which is workout. Except football, I missed everything. So please subscribe, please. Your boy is actually working super hard for that. Now no more talk, keep it on the first fret. Last song, so very excited. A big relief, but tomorrow again I have to do another album. So have a look at the chord shapes, which is first chord C, mute 3 2 open first 0, G 3 2 open 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 3, F 1 3 3 2 1 1, D minor mute mute open second third first, A minor mute open second second first open. That's it for the chords. Very easy. I told this song is very easy, Epiphany. So don't forget to put the keep on the first fret. So for this song, I like to do one down each chord. Now I'm finger picking, plucking, but you can just have a pick and just strum down on the chord. So structure, we have the verse, we have the pre-chorus, verse, we have the chorus, we have the verse, we have the chorus, we have the bridge, then we have a chorus, then we have an outro. So we have the verse to learn, the chorus to learn, the bridge to learn, and the outro to learn, but that's gonna be definitely super easy. So the verse has a lot of chords, so just have a look at the verse chord progression. Verse 1, verse 2, C, F, G, C, G, A minor, D minor, G, A minor, F, C, F, and that goes for the verse. Just do one down on one chord, rest for one bar between each chord, which means 1 2 3 4. Let's see how it sounds. 1 2 3 4 F 2 3 4 G 2 3 4 C 2 3 4 D 2 3 4 minor 2 3 4 D minor 2 3 4 G 2 3 4 A minor 2 3 4 F 2 3 4 C 2 3 4 F. That's it for the verse. Now let's move on to the chorus, and for the chorus our chord progression will be a G, A minor, F 2 C. Again, just one down will be enough. So let's play. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2 3 4. So 1 2 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. That's it for the chorus. So everything is super easy for this song. Some songs actually had some nice guitar part, a bit hard, but some of the songs actually more focused on the piano, and it's super easy. So now we have the bridge, and for the bridge the chord progression will be F, C, A minor. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1. After that we actually have the outro, and for the outro the chord progression will be a F, C, G. That's it. 1 2 3 4 1. And with this we come to the end of Taylor Swift's new album Folklore, and that was actually a huge pressure on me because I promised that I will be finishing this by now, and I did it. So it was definitely a big hard work, but tomorrow again I have to cover another album, so it's actually a very hard time for me, working super hard. So I need to subscribe, so make sure that you subscribe, because that will not only help me but also you, because you will be stay tuned, and make sure to hit the notification button, check out the community tab, check out the playlist, and I'll see you guys back in the very next video, maybe tomorrow. Bye.